Alright, so I picked up a Toro Lawn Striping System for my lawnmower. And I can't say it's not good, and I can't say it's not bad. But it's supposed to be for Toro lawnmowers, and you can put it on basically any type of lawnmower. But you just have to make sure you configure the settings good, have tire clearance, and you want to be able to turn this without having to hit the tire, which I'm pretty good right now. The pain in the ass about this is filling up this thing with sand. It's a big barrel, and it's got one opening on the side of it, and you just start filling it up with sand. Now, I think I'm going to put a little bit more sand in there because I didn't fill it up quite all the way. It feels like it's about 20 pounds that you could put inside there of sand. But everything is like snapped together, so you got settings that you can use. Now, my yard is not quite up to par because of the way that the weather has been over here. It's been really wet, raining, and like right now it's like 60 degrees, so it's still cold. So some of my grass over here is not where it should be yet. But let's see how this shit looks. How this striping system came out. So that's what I got right now, and like I said, my yard isn't quite up to par where it's supposed to be just yet. You can see my neighbor hasn't even cut his lawn yet, but yeah, I kind of manicure it to where all the corners are real sharp corners, and kind of do a lot with the edging and shit. But so it's not too bad, I guess. Maybe with a little bit more weight in it, and you know, fooling around with maybe the settings. Now, I can't go any further than what it is, and because I'm going to be hitting parts that I don't want to be hitting to change. Say like over here, it's kind of touching here. I'm going to have to bend this tab a little bit more in order to clear this. But I can't put it up here and have it going at an angle because the bars aren't long enough as far as the settings go. But it's not a bad little tool for your lawnmower. So I'm gonna go put this stuff away, and yeah, the review on this is for right now, because the grass is still a little damp because we had rain overnight, pretty good storms overnight. I would probably give this thing, for right now, out of 5 stars, I'd probably get it at 3.5, 4 stars right now. So we'll see how, when the grass starts perking up a lot more, and we'll see how it works over the summertime. And yeah, so take it easy, everyone.